What's up, everybody? So we're here in at our project in Fair, and we installed a kitchen, an island, and a little bit of shiplap accent around the island. So let's take a look at our progress for today. Hope you guys like what you saw. If you guys have any questions, or if you have any projects like this that you'd like for us to take a look at, please, you can always feel free to call me. You can reach me at 832-574-7290. You can always reach us on our website, canopyunlimited.com, or on Facebook, facebook.com/canopyunlimited. Thank you guys for watching, and we will post a little bit, some more updates a little bit later on in the week. Thanks a lot. Take it easy.